morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you a couple of things. The first thing I'm going to be doing today is I am going to be gilding today. I'm going to be gilding the blue piece. Yes, this blue piece, I'm going to be gilding that using the Amy Howard gold leaf, and I'm going to be using the the gilding size. You can get this as a bundle online, so I'll have that posted down below. So that's what I'm going to use, and you might get a brush with it. I'm not sure, but I got a brush with mine. Okay, so I wanted to do that. That's what I'm going to be doing on these two tables. Hopefully they'll be where I need it to be. Let me show you some other stuff that I got. So in Cleveland, there's a store called Marks, and Marks is one of my favorite places to go sourcing and stuff. So this is what I got from Marks a long time ago. I just ran into them and I got them, they 99 cents. At Habitat for Humanity, they $5 each. So I got these, and then in some of the Marks, it was 2 for 99 cents. So I got all of those. So that's what I got in the past. Now these are gonna be my, of course, cabinet door sample finishing. The other day I went in there and I found these. I think they're cute. It's just a little flower. But what I'm gonna do is two things either I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna wrap this with canvas, and these are gonna be the boards that I teach on to teach people art. I think that would be a good solution. They're $175. They're pretty thin, but $175. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 of those. That's a workshop right there. So I got those 5, and then I got these for $3.99, $3.33. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, and this is yet again another art workshop. And I'm gonna cover them with canvas. And yeah, so I just felt like, you know, you gotta think about where you source it. It has the hooks, the sturdy boards on it and everything. So I'm gonna cover it with some canvas and yeah, and some gesso. And these are gonna be the not test boards, these are gonna be workshop boards for my class. These are my pouches. They are decoupage with paper. So each side is different. These are gonna be on my website. This is one, I think this one is called, I don't know, Peach Bloom something. I think this one is something, Green Moments with Bees or something. I don't know. I tried to make it sound so that I could remember which one it was. So I think this one is Peacock, and this one is Peach Bloom. And so I've done it with a decoupage paper. It doesn't have any lining in it. Just a regular old pouch with a little bit of bead on it. I decoupaged it and I did seal it with matte sealer. So you can wipe these down. You cannot wash these. Okay? And then we have this one. I think this one is Birdcage. I'm not sure. This might be Birdcage. Got a peacock on it. So I will be posting all of these today on my website. These, peach, the green. Okay, let me show you. And these are my journals. These will be going up also. These comes with a journal, and a pouch. The front of the journal is epoxy, so you can look for that on my Facebook page, not my Facebook, on my website, secondgagerestoration.com. Okay? These are all going to be on the web page, secondgagerestoration.com. And then this is the last one. This one I really love. You can see it has a very shiny top. You see it got a shine on it. Inside of here, it does have a sheet of gold leaf in the front. And yeah, that's it. Really cute. Really cute. Nice, simple, easy, inexpensive gift for the holidays. And the bag has a little bit on it so it matches. So I have those. What else do I have for sale? The pink one, it also has epoxy. Also has epoxy. Epoxy and epoxy. So that's about it that I have for sale. I have a couple of other things around here that are going up for sale. I really need to get these mirrors up for sale. So it's this, the 2 tables, the dresser, and then I need to get some mirrors in because I got 3 mirrors and a mirror box that I want to do. So I'm just gonna keep on going and posting it up. The hutch is going to be on, let me turn around for the hutch. The hutch is going to be on Encore Society. The dresser, that dresser is wonderful. I just got to figure out what I want. I found the technique that I want, but yeah, I still haven't mastered how to lay it on the piece. Then this one is going next. I don't really know what color. No, I do. It's Vanderbilt gray. That's going to be Vanderbilt gray. And then I love that dress. That's a Drexel dresser. And I think I might strip it. I'm not sure. But anyway, even if I strip it and paint it in black again, I just didn't like this paint finish on it. It was bumpy, lumpy. It just didn't give me my flawless finish that I like. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to pop in today and yeah, tell you that I'm get to building. My daughter's out of school and she's in the car. That's what they do. They sit in the car. So, but she wanted to go to the mall, so she'll sit patiently. Anything else I want to talk to you about? No, I'm gonna be making the samples. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I am gonna do it. So I'll be back.